What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a bunch of fun things with cars, and we live inside the LA area, so we do videos around LA. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jeffrey. Hey, what's up? We do videos on my Ford Focus RS and the Hyundai Veloster N. And in today's video, we are jumping right into things. I am doing a quick install on the Focus RS, doing some lighting upgrades. I'm doing the fog light, just a fog light like swap out. I just have different bulbs. These bulbs I bought were like very cheap. I found them from the Facebook group. I know I think it's Dial Dynamics. You can get those bulbs. Those are like 60 bucks a piece. These ones I bought off Amazon, they're like 20 bucks, I want to say, total. So I don't know how long they're gonna last, but like one of mine has literally been blown out since I bought the car, so I just bought these. These are really cheap, so we'll see how they do. And then I do have the Dial Dynamic some interior lighting for the like vanity like mirrors. So we're gonna do this is gonna be a quick and easy install. I'll show you guys exactly how's it look. Let's do it. Let's take a look at what the fog light looks like now. Alright, so just doing these real quick. Actually, I took it off by accident really fast. Just need like a plastic or the interior like pry tool. These things will just pop right off. Once you pop that off, you can pop this off as well. And actually, I could probably do this with my finger maybe. Nope, I need to get the tool. But you pry it out. Once you pry it out, just replace it with the other bulbs. So, and then the other bulbs should go right in. So let me do that real quickly. But this is what they kind of look like. Drop this one. Pretty basic. And yeah, let's swap these out real quick. Oh, just a really small tip. These little arrows will indicate the direction they're supposed to go in. So I had them in backwards at first. As you can see, look at that. Just pop that bad boy in there. Then this should just pop right back over it. Oh. Red little lights. Is it edgelord? Maybe a little bit, but you know, I think it's cool. Have a little bit different lighting. All right, let's do the other one. Should be real quickly. I can probably just pop this one off. Yeah, you can just literally pop them off. They're not that hard to get off. And just swap the little bulb out. So let's do that real quick. All right, that took all of about 1 minute to do both. So pretty quick and easy install. I think it looks fine. Looks fine, nothing crazy. Just have a different look. Close those bad boys up. Now time to install these bad boys. These fog lights. So this shouldn't take too long. So hopefully I can get this done real quick. guys, my camera's gonna die, so let me do this really quickly. I was able to get all the stuff installed. I've been trying for the last like couple days, actually like for a while now, to do my tire reset when I got the new wheels on. The TPMS sensor is still like not working. I don't even know. I'll try it again later. That didn't work, but I was able to get the lighting done, so I'm happy. Got the fog lights, got these vanity lights, so that's really cool. I have a link down below if you want to check out these fog lights. They're really cheap, like 20 bucks. But like that, I'm in the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed. Same name as the YouTube channel. Go to the website, geeksforcars.com. Like that, we're out of here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.